Hey everyone, my box from the Junk Journal shop is finally here. She sells a studio box every month, and they're smaller than they started out, and I do believe I paid less. I can't remember now. But it is the Junk Journal shop here on YouTube that sells them. She also has an Etsy, which is Junk Journal Shop. She has a website, www.junkjournalshop.com. So, I'm excited to get into this one to see what we got. There's some tissue paper, lots of pretty tissue paper. I have some of this, I like it. So the first thing in my kit is some papers. They're rolled up. Oh, roll tight. Tight. You have to iron this. Oh, I love that. That's pretty. That's a good small journal cover. Once it's ironed, it's really tight. And then this paper, craft paper jewelry, or else it's dyed, I can't tell. My new glasses really bite. And then, that's pretty. I think she inked these. That's little one. These are pretty. I'll iron them, see if I can get them done with that. And I got another one. I just cut that. So there's another doily. It's some sticker sheet. I don't think I'm ironing this flat. I can't tell. And then you get a vintage rubber cover, which I've already bought this from her Digis. And 2 postcards. And then we got another roll. That's pretty. There's another doorway. Well, I'm gonna tell you, these things are like a spring. And this sheet. Boing. And this sheet, that's beautiful. Boing. And then this sheet. Boing. So, next. I want to say this was $60 this month. I'm not sure, I have to go check. I think it was. Some ledger papers. Oh, she stamped on, that's cute. Oh, that's cute. I like that. Maybe I'll put a stack of books on them and lay them down. Dragonfly and a bird. That's cute. Okay. Well, as you see, I have a pile of rolls here. Next, I have washi tape. Yeah, I'm not going to open this just yet because I don't need it. It's coffee themed washi tape. And then I got this wood pencil that is wrapped in this vine. It's, y'all seen me sell this 100 times. It's the stuff you put around the edges of stuff. It's like a fabric vine. It's really nice. And then a little stamp bag with stuff in it. Oh. Well, I got a Pez. The boys love these things. An itty bitty book. Isn't it cute? They're not getting that, but they can have the Pez. Next I got another bag. Good gravy. You know what? I don't need bags anyway, so I don't mind cutting it. Some metal pieces. Really? Is that what I think it is? I'll pass that on. I'm sure somebody would like to have it. So I got some little metal charm pieces. And I dropped one. Next, another little bitty bag. I have letter openers here somewhere with some wood pieces in it. Butterflies. And this one is a lot of bags. Some of these, they're like they are stickers. I have some of these. That's pretty. And then y'all wonder why I'm opening it across the top like this? These will eventually become pockets. So there's some fabric tape on some little wildflower cards, Rocky Mountain wildflowers. Is that tape? No, I don't think that's tape. I think it's just fabric. Ribbon. Yep, ribbon. Then I got a pink one. Okay, and here we have, this looks like some ephemera. No, book pages. I don't know. Let's just open it and quick guess them. Yeah, some pages out of a book, it looks like. Another bag. Oh no, where did the scissors go? Some stickers, some pages. Now these are all ephemera. And then just a couple of tags. Some stickers, it looks like. Stickers and ephemera. Okay, I'm not going to open these because I don't need them yet. Here's some ephemera. Another decorated bag with a stencil in it. And here's some stickers. And some cards. Botanical cards. Oh my goodness. Okay. These are like handmade bags. And it's got some little tags and stuff in it. Right, Nanny, you can do a whole journal with just this one pack. Well, I could, because I don't ever decorate mine. And then, I love this envelope. I love the way she does these. These are napkins. Okay, and then I got this. I think these are napkins too. I can get my finger in there and tell you. Yeah, they're napkins. They're little birds on them napkins. Embossed paper with handwriting on it. See, it looks like 3 pages of embossed papers. And then I'm really trying not to tear everything up, but it makes it hard not to. I think this is just cardstock. Yeah, there's a couple of sheets of cardstock in here. And lastly, this is heavy. Oh, this is her book board she sells in her Etsy shop. And we rip this one off. Maybe. Yes, book board. So you get 2 pieces to make a journal with, and this is Travis notebook size. So this is July's. I think it's July. It might be, no, it must be June. Maybe it is July. I don't know. I think she sold out of them. I don't know what I'm going to do with all these, but I'll figure something out. And now I'm just going to put them all back in here and figure out how I can straighten them. So check out the Junk Journal shop on Etsy. She sells a box every month. If you would like to get one, you can definitely make an entire journal out of it. And I'll show the journal after I get it made and let you know if I can iron them all straight. I'm almost sure I cannot iron the stickers. Oh, I know what I can do. I can lay them all down like so. And I have 2 suitcases packed. I'll put the suitcases on top. Put them between the 2 suitcases. That'll flatten them out. That'll flatten out anything. So guys, it won't even fit in the boxes so much. How's that? Check it out on YouTube. It's the Junk Journal Shop. On Etsy, it's the Junk Journal Shop. And her own website is www.junkjournalshop.com. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.